Lavanya Balal, would you want to respond to that? Debate in Parliament, why the natak, essentially is what Dr. Uday is saying.
The question is for me, Shreya? I'm sorry, I missed it.
Yes, Lavanya, you're the Congress spokesperson here. You'll have to answer that question.
Yes, yeah.
He's calling it trivializing a serious issue. He's calling it a tamasha.
Dr. Uday sounded like a patriarch who is very upset about what women are wearing. He sounded exactly like how the British would have sounded 80 years ago before independence when they saw Indians wearing khadi. I rest my case because I don't need to answer more. And he said, why does she have to wear it? Who are men to question women what they are wearing or why they are wearing what they are wearing? How is it trivializing the issue of Palestine? Because as of 5th December, when the question was raised in Rajya Sabha for what is India's stand on Palestine, the government's answer was India supports the establishment of independent state of Palestine, which is sovereign on its own, right? And it continues into paragraphs. So where is she disagreeing with the government? Why is it that, when Indians wore khadi, the British were terribly upset? It sounds the same right now.
No, Lavanya, all like that, the British and khadi is fine, Lavanya. My point is why reduce this argument or the criticism to, oh, they are attacking me and questioning my bag because I'm a woman? Why make this a gender issue? It's a political issue.
Of course it is.
Why bring in patriarchy and say this is typical patriarchy? Because men will tell you what to wear. They are not telling her what to wear. No one's telling her what to wear. What has come into question is the Palestine bag, which, by the way, is a very good-looking bag.
If you listen to Mr. Yogi Adityanath's statements, he is making a statement saying, oh, there is a Congress MP who is walking around with a bag supporting Palestine and all of that stuff. Why is it the BJP is upset about a bag? We didn't make it about the bag. It is a BJP which is talking about the bag. She just wore a tote bag to the Lok Sabha. Why is the BJP making an issue out of it? She just wore a bag. Leave it at that.
Jasmine,
why are you focusing on what is she wearing?
Jasmine, good point.
Focus on what is she talking.
Good point. Jasmine, the point is, she just wore a bag is what Lavanya is saying. Whether it's Palestine or Bangladesh, हमने थोड़ी ना कुछ किया. ये तो बीजेपी ने बात का बतंगड़ बनाया.
Shreya, she, with due respect, is taking advantage as first she becomes a parliamentarian, then she falls back on her woman baggage and says, oh, these men are patriarchal and they're telling me what to wear. This is not an ordinary tote bag. It says Palestine on it. She's welcome to wear that bag, but then she should have the gumption to agree that why she's wearing the bag. The idea is that why is she wearing that bag? She is a member of parliament. She's no ordinary woman who is walking into the parliament. The person, it is the individual who is wearing. She's a general secretary of the party, and like the gentleman said, she falls on a legacy of a Gandhi name. She has to be more mature. She has to respect the foreign policy of this nation.
But what is immature about wearing your heart on your sleeve?
Nobody's making a comment. Nobody's making a comment on her clothes. She's very well-dressed woman. I admire her sense of clothing. But I am objecting to what was written on her
But how is it immaturity to wear your heart on your sleeve?
It is. She's a member of parliament.
Where is the immaturity in wearing your heart on your sleeve?
You can't do that when you're a member of parliament. You're a politician. There are certain, you're a senior journalist. You have a certain guideline which you follow, which you do. And it's the nature of your work.
Okay. My point is, if she's saying that the killing of 17,000 children is wrong in Gaza, if she's saying that the killing of 45,000 civilians is wrong in Gaza, it's actually the right stand to take. As I said, it's the stand India has taken. But Neeraja Chaudhary ji, in conclusion, I want to ask you how you think Priyanka Gandhi has done in parliament so far. By the looks of it, by the optics of it, pretty good, I would say.
Yes, I think she's done well. Even in her speech on the Constitution, she took on the government, which as an opposition member she was expected to do, particularly on an issue like the Constitution, which they have been flagging. She made her points very sharply, but she was not personal. She was cool and not personal about anybody. So she did well. Her answer to Narendra Modi's speech also was when she said, with a sense of humor that it reminded her of double period of maths, and she dismissed it that way. And also zero tolerance about corruption. She said, let them at least have a discussion on Adani. So again, very sharply worded. So as I said, and then of course these bags that have come, I would say make one point here that I agree this is not about attire. This is a political message. And particularly coming from somebody like her.
Absolutely.
And it is true that the government is doing a tightrope walk in a very difficult situation. In West Asia, which has linkages, with Syria, Lebanon, it has linkages, our relationships with China, Russia, US, it has the whole gamut of relationships. Therefore, is she making a political point to her own party? To the government, that they must go beyond the stand they have taken. That is the question mark to me. So it is not to be taken in a trivial way.
Okay.
That is about dress, and no matter how she wants, she can dress that way. So, but the country, as I said, will watch her in the coming days because she has this ability to think on her feet politically.
Okay, we'll leave it there, Neerja. Thank you very much. Dr. Uday, thank you very much for joining us as well. Lavanya Balal, good to have you on the show. And Jasna Sandhwalia, thank you very much as well.